guys! Hello, hello! So, nasa Amica Nursing Home kami ngayon. Ano nila, Christmas party. So, it's yung ano nito, Petals Attraction event ang by Ana Dizon Mendoza. Okay? So, let's go and tour around guys. Ang ganda ng aming, pinaghirapan namin guys ha. Ganda.
At Amica Nursing Home. It's events by Petal Attraction Events.